Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. First off, let me say I apologize if my voice sounds weird. I'm trying to get over, I don't really know what it is, but before it gets major, we're trying to stop it. So I'm not gonna have too many talking points in the video. I'm gonna let the music kind of play through, but I did have a few things I needed to explain throughout. So let's get into it. So we are doing a garage clean today. I put my hair up, well, I covered it up in my satin hat just to keep from any kind of dust or debris getting into it. You guys know I have locks and I protect them whenever I'm doing any type of cleaning or outdoor outside work. So my main goal for the garage was to make it more open. We do work out in here, so eventually this will strictly be for working out, but in the midst of my DIY projects, you see over in the corner some of the furniture. This is just what we have for now. I just wanted to do a little cleaning up, kind of reevaluate some of my projects and figure out what I'm actually going to keep and what I can kind of get rid of. So that's what we're doing. My husband was home to help, but listen, when I get into my little cleaning and organization moods, I just told him I will call you when I need you to help me with moving the heavy stuff. So he came down and helped me move the shelves, and that's all I needed him for. Our sellers left these amazing, well-built shelves. They asked if we wanted them. Look at them. They are built very nice. So I'm just going to change the configuration. There's actually 3 of them along that right wall. So I'm just going to kind of change it around so that it better suits what we need them for. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Go power for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy. Right here, I'm just telling him how I wanted the garage to be. I had an idea of how I wanted it to look, but as you can see throughout the video, I'm going to kind of step back a few times, reevaluate some stuff, look to see in my mind if everything is going to look right in the end. I did what I got when then kill Obama. I try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django. Like I said, we do work out in here. The boys both do Muay Thai, so he set up the punching bag and just wanted to make sure that he had enough kicking space. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? So these are all my projects. I love that bed. I cannot wait to do that. I think I got that bed for free actually with Cam's dresser for his room that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. The seller also had the bed and the rails that he was just like, oh, you can have this too. See, don't sleep. Don't sleep on garage sales or Facebook Marketplace.
Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 I need people and shadow.
This is my buffet I have had for a couple years. I saw it at the Goodwill. Well, it's a dresser, but I will be DIYing this and it will be the buffet. The drawers are in the house. Look at that price. And I got it half off. So it will be a buffet in the dining room. I love it. It is so nice and it is solid wood. Now I'm adding everything back onto the shelves and doing a little bit of organizing. So this area I decided to make strictly for all of my DIY tools and projects, along with the car stuff you'll see is at the top for like washing the cars. All of the extra paint that we won't be using, but that I need to dispose of the right way, I'm just putting that in our shed. And now moving over to the other side, this will be our like house overflow area. So any type of overflow with tissue, paper towels, cleaning supplies, or snacks. And then our drinks will be housed on this shelf.
Spending all my nights so long, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other.
over here in this corner that I'm cleaning up, this will be our workout corner and kind of like where we house the boys' outside toys. So I have my weights on here, the boys' scooters, and they have so many toys outside when it comes to like sports. They have gloves, basketball, footballs, frisbees, soccer balls, skates, skateboards. They have everything. So all of that will be over on this shelf.
That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. No need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. But I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Yeah.
Now I'm doing one final sweep, and listen, when I say I was scared initially, during the process, seeing everything as I was pulling everything out and the trash and everything that we have in here, but it all came together.
Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Face it, I would never get this far. Think that we don't see who you are. Laughing to the bank like ha. Guess it, I'm just talking too much blah, blah, blah. So, where did y'all go? When I was shit broke, couldn't even buy smokes. Now your mama needs tickets to my stadium show. She love it when she hear me on the radio. I know it's hard to swallow your pride. Sorry that you can't get over me. Now you're out my life, I'm so relieved. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Money tend to show all the tendencies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Sometimes, every time they let me down. Sometimes, every time they let me down. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad.
I hope that you guys enjoyed my garage clean with me and that it inspires you to get out in your garage, okay? And clean and organize, especially with the new year coming up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a like, comment below, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
So don't try and tell me that you're happy for me now. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead.